Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorials. In this video we will see how to capitalize first and last character of all the words in a string. I am taking a string hello, how are you? Here you can see this string has 4 words. I want first and the last character of each word into capital and the rest of the character as it is. For that, first I will split this string into the list of substring. So to do that, there is a method split. So string dot split gives you list of substring of this string. I will save this in a variable. Let's see what is their value using print method. Print of s, save this file, go to cmd, run the file. Here you can see list of substring of this string. Now I will take an empty list so that after converting first and last character of each word into capital, I will save in this list. I am taking for loop so that I can move each element of the list. For I in S, now I want first character of the word in capital. So I will take index of first character, that is 0. I of 0 means first character of the word. I want this character in capital, so we can use upper make it capital. Then I want rest of the characters of the word as it is, so I will take I of 1 colon minus 1. Index of 1 colon minus 1 is from the second character I want as it is, so I will do nothing to this index, but I want last character of each word in capital, so I will take I of minus 1. I of minus 1 means last character of the word. I want this in capital, so I will use upper. I will save this into a variable. Now I want all the words to be in this list. For that, there is a method rest dot append of these words. So after making first and last character of the word, we are storing into the list. Now let's see what's there into the res using print. Save this file, go to the cmd, run the file. Here you can see the first and last character is in capital, but this is in list. I want this as a string. For that, I will use join method. I am taking one variable and I am joining all the words of this list. Print the value of j and run the output. Here you can see first and last character of each word are in capital, and you can see this as a string. Like this, we can capitalize first and last character of all the words in a string. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.